Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up render.com hosting for backend services in no-code stacks, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, visit the render.com website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or through GitHub or GitLab. Once your account is set up, log in to the render dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the new button to create a new service. Select the type of service you want to create, such as a web service or static site. For backend services, choose Web Service. You will be prompted to connect your code repository. Select the repository from GitHub or GitLab that contains your backend code. Authorize Render to access your repository if prompted. After selecting your repository, choose the branch you want to deploy. Next, set the environment for your service. Select the appropriate runtime for your backend technology, such as Node.js, Python, or Ruby. You can also configure advanced settings, such as instance size and region. In the Build command field, enter the command to build your service. In the Start command field, enter the command to start your server. Optionally, set environment variables needed for your application. Click on the Create Web Service button to initiate the deployment. Render will start building and deploying your service. You can monitor the progress in the Render dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you will receive a URL for your newly set up service. Test the URL in your browser to ensure your backend service is running correctly. If needed, you can set up custom domains from the dashboard. To do this, navigate to the Settings tab of your web service. Scroll down to the Custom Domains section and enter your desired domain name. Verify the domain ownership as per Render's instructions. After verification, your custom domain will be linked to your backend service. Congratulations, your backend service is now hosted on render.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.